To connect 4 monitors to a Dell docking station, ensure your laptop and dock support DisplayPort Multi-Stream Transport or Thunderbolt 4. Connect the dock to your laptop via USB-C or Thunderbolt. Use the dock's ports like HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C to connect your monitors. For optimal performance with 4K displays, confirm your laptop has a powerful graphics card, ideally Intel 13th Gen or AMD Ryzen 7000 series. Enable MST in Windows display settings or via your graphics control panel. Use high-quality cables like DisplayPort 1.4 or higher for resolutions and refresh rates. Dell docks such as the WD-20TB and U22 are ideal for quad setups. Power delivery caps at 90 watts may require external power for high refresh rate setups. If you experience display flickering, update your Dell docks firmware and graphics drivers using Dell Command Update. This tool automatically checks for and installs the latest updates to resolve compatibility issues. Bandwidth limitations can reduce refresh rates in quad setups. Consider using a dock with dual DisplayPort outputs or adding external USB-C hubs to distribute the load and maintain higher frame rates across all displays. Use Dell Display Manager for easy configuration of your quad setup. Ensure your monitors support EDID for proper resolution detection, allowing automatic adjustment of display settings without manual intervention. Quad display setups draw significant power, so monitor heat levels and ensure adequate cooling. Use external power supplies if needed and avoid overloading your laptop's power delivery system to prevent shutdowns. For driver conflicts, check Dell's support forums or update directly from AMD and NVIDIA websites. For gaming setups, a high-end GPU like the RTX 4070 is recommended to handle the graphics demands of multiple displays. Regularly check for software updates to maintain stability and optimal performance. Visit the Dell support website for common configurations of your specific hardware to ensure stable and validated quad display setups.